See, new thing them here, people. See, new thing them a job, but them a job, but in a man. Take time, man your job. Remember, where's that? You know, job? Blood, chill. Patwa from Temu.
Okay, let's see if anyone can guess what one's my favorite one.
See our favorite one there, as you see where the buckle there?
You gave it. I didn't finish this. You
And
gave
then
it
me
out.
gave it away.
You gave it out. Someone else finished it.
Alright, people, look on that one here now. See that one here? One in here, Fever. You see it?
Oh, glad.
Yes, this is the enhanced rum. You see me? You know, like how you have Magnum with a little something there?
Yeah.
When they drink it, all that girl them look like Ice Spice. Yes, also a flat body girl look like Nicki Minaj.
It's about me.
Some of the sievings are in this. That's why we call it the enhance. You see what I say? Yeah. Yeah. So this is a Fever. What else you have, baby? What else is there?
And then this one is Fever.
This is a Fever same way. This is an enhanced rum as well?
No, that one.
Yeah.
It's
an enhanced rum as well.
It's got the bubble up.
See it? Fever. If you notice how me do the posters, like some long time dancehall posters. Remember when you were youth at school and posters step on light post? Yeah.
Alright.
Yes. So we do that one, yeah. Like some original dancehall, Stone Love. Sick, yeah, man. Stone Love Nature Media days. So 2 Fever that we just show now.
Okay, so this one is the white rum for your white liver.
This one a white rum. So if you have white liver, or if you're a pretty girl and you like Siva, you draft it this. That one your name. Oh, regular white rum. That one I just name Kartel.
Start well, man.
Start well. Somebody get ice.
Not nice.
Yeah, man. It's not Ainsley.
Yeah. No, not Ainsley. No.
Yeah. See it there? I want to sick. I want to strong to your head. I want to. So that one is strong, you see, man. Notice, look now, you see it? See microphone?
Real vibes again. Yeah. Car vibes, this, you know.
Yeah, daddy.
But
What you have it? What else did the babes?
Straight vibes in your bum.
Yo, we have a laugh,
Yo, this alright, that one the overproof. See?
No, that.
Dead. One cock of this man, a good man.
6.
Yeah, man. So they rum them this man straight vibes. And then I go like the Christmas.
Road again, my G. Ready.
Man, spend this bus. Yeah, man. Ready, man. Yeah, man.
My G.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Can't do that, babes. See? Trouble. Yeah, man. Yeah, baby. You can take it back. Thank you. Careful in the manage up them, babes. Just bring 2. Have it?
We got it.
Alright, do your thing, babes. Well, yeah, man. See if I rum them that, you see me?
Ready for your road again, my G.
Yeah, me I tell them a lucky place, man.
Have to. Right now, be people, I probably start search. I wonder where them can get them.
Oh, no, man. Them, cause you are going now. It's a giant collaboration with me and a great rum factory.
Right.
Trinidad.
Yeah, man.
So, through them, it depend on them portfolio already, you know, so the whole of the island, them, I make them request already. Some people 20 containers, some people 30 containers, so. And them we are working on right now for bring a Jamaica, because Jamaica first have to premiere them, you see me? So, I want to start a Jamaica with about 40,000 cases, you see me? 40,000 bucks.
You can't fuck.
No more case, mother.
No more
Last.
case,
No
G.
more case. The last case at 35
If
years
a
that is.
suitcase me I walk when me I fly out, me G.
Leave a suitcase me not carry, I lose luggage.
Hear that?
Yeah, I mean, and I fuck it.
No fuck,
So,
G.
mm-mm.
Yeah,
So,
man.
yeah, man, but after the run with the people, them can expect, Shawn. You see
Yeah,
me?
me. Yeah,
Yeah,
me
man.
fully.
And I had the official room at the Freedom Street, and I had the official room at Shawn Stamp Party,
That
the
is
30th of November.
white.
Runaway there.
Remember that.
See
Hear
me
the
I
bar.
say?
Right.
Mm-hmm. Oh, man, you good there? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, I look outside. Okay, everything good, G. Yeah, man, this is the thing, the man.
That is it, my G.
And I say 40 in a silver, you don't know a thing going on, man. A little more, we link up, yeah.
Up 3 times, fully Gaza. He ain't know that.
You don't know that.
No.
30th of November, people. Shawn Stan birthday party.
Uh,
All white. All day.
uh,
All night. Out.
I'm out.
Out. I say, you are going now, guys, and nation. What on there?
The internet.
No, look, me, no, look.
Mike.
That's you, so Jarin did, Sana.
Oh,
Yo, me hungry.
me too.
Whoever can you.
I'll maybe get him to resend it so it comes back to the top.
I'm not thinking did send.
Oh.
I never send nothing.
I saw a message, but I didn't.
No, so I never send nothing, man. But yeah, nation, you're going to work with that page, yeah. So my life them say, no, I still a work on forget my original Vybz Kartel page active. You dig what I say? Yeah, dog. But, cause it don't make no sense. I have to have my page at work on, bro. You see me?
Can I pick?
No, you can't pick up. I'm done.
Oh.
Yeah. She want dimples. You are going to go on now, people. Take care of myself. But little more in the night when little of the jump up. Would I go in the studio? Say, if we go in the studio, I forward again for the live, but I make you know. See, bless up Gaza Nation. Fully in the man. You hear that? What the sound of my nose?
Your mouth.
No, you can't say. I'm out. All right. I'm out.